in Python. Okay, so creating a tuple is easy, as well as deleting a tuple is somewhat tedious. Why? Because we can't delete an element present inside a tuple, whereas we can delete the entire tuple. The reason is, as we know, that tuple is immutable. So what is immutable? Once we created it, so we can't able to change it, or we can't able to modify it. Okay, so in the same manner, we can't able to delete it as well, but we can delete the entire tuple, but we can't delete the element. So let me show that with an example. So let us open Spider. Okay, so let me zoom it. So let me take my underscore tup equal to, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right. So we want to delete second index. So what I'll do is my underscore tup of 2. Now print my underscore tup. Okay, so if you execute this, what sort of an error are we getting? Tuple object does not support item deletion, so you can't delete items. Okay, so whereas, so let me delete the entire tuple. So my underscore tuple. Okay, so if I print my underscore tuple, so you can see tuple is not present. Okay, so in the first case, tuple object does not support item deletion. Okay, so in the second case, you will not get any output. Why? Because there is no tuple. Okay, so why? Because we have deleted the entire tuple. Now the tuple is empty. So in this way, we can define our, we can delete our tuple. Now let's see how to change a value of a tuple list, convert to list. So first, to change a value of tuple, it's better to convert it to a list. Why? Because tuple is immutable, we can't change the value of tuple. So it's better to convert that to list. Okay. Okay, so I have taken my underscore tuple equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have converted these to list by simply giving list underscore c. So I can take whatever name I want. So list underscore c equal to list of my underscore tuple. So now I'm printing list underscore c whether it is converted to list or not. So you can see previously, if you use parenthesis, it was tuple. Now it is a list. Now list underscore okay, so list underscore c dot append of 6. So 6 is appended at the last after 5. So previously, whenever we are trying to insert any value into a tuple, it will not accept. Why? Because tuple is immutable. So what we did here, we converted tuple into a list. Later on, we can perform operations present on list. Okay. So right. So that's what happening here. I can directly assign with indexing as well. So without using append. So what I will do is I will change the value. So list underscore c of, for example, in second index, that is in the place of 3, I want to insert 30. So list underscore c of 2 equal to 30. So what do we get? So previously it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it is 1, 2, 34, 5, 6. Why? Because in second in the index 2 we have inserted we have changed the value of 3 to 30. Okay. So unlike these tuples are immutable, this means that elements of a tuple cannot be changed once they have been assigned. But if the element is itself a mutable data type like a list, its nested items can be changed. Okay. So as we know that the tuple is immutable. So in order to change it, what we can do, we can convert the tuple to list. Okay. So changing my tuple value. So my underscore tuple equal to, I have taken a tuple. So if we want to insert a value like my underscore tuple of 1 equal to 9, it throws an error. Why? Because tuple object does not support item assignment. So however, in the tuple we have 6, 5, which is a list. Okay. So we can try that. So if you say I have here list 2 of 2, 3. Okay. Now I can do like this, my underscore tuple, okay, of, so you can see my underscore tuple of, so this index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So index 5, in index 5 I have a list 2, 3, that means index 0, index 1. So in the place of index 1, in the place of 3 I want to insert 15. So 2, okay, so index 5, in that index 1. So in the place of index 1, I want to change it to 15. So now we can see if I want to print my underscore tuple, okay, so tuple of 5. So fifth index is 2, 3. In that time, I want to change the value of the first index, okay, 15. So if you execute this, what do we get? So here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So previously it was 2, 3. Now it is 2, 15. Okay. So we can reassign tuples also. So in this way we can change a tuple. So basic tuple operations, okay, and tuple functions we'll discuss in the next class. So in this video we discussed about how to delete a tuple. We can't directly delete elements inside a tuple. So how to delete a tuple, how to change items in a tuple, like we can't change it directly. It's better to convert a tuple to list. Later on you can convert, later on you can change the values of a tuple. Okay, so in this way, how to delete a tuple or how to change items present inside a tuple. So in our next class, we'll discuss about basic tuple operations. Okay, so those who are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and please share my videos to your friends and well-wishers, and please support my channel in all possible ways. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.